So we knew that in the previous examples or during the normalization or the pixel values ranging are normally ranging from 0 to 1, but we transforms every single values or pixel values from -1 to 1. So the range values of the pixel values are ranging from negative to 1. Why? Because neural networks train better when inputs are centered around 0, and it's symmetrics because when the data is centered at 0, um, um, the other values are ranging from 0 to 1 and 0 to -1. They are symmetric. So centering around 0, if inputs are ranging from 0 to 1, all all values are positive. So the average is zero point 0.5. So the network sees a bias toward positive values. If inputs are -1 to 1, values are negative and positive. So the average or the centered value is 0. So basically the data is centered. So why this is matters? Gradients become more balanced. Updates don't all push in one direction. Training becomes more stable. Next is symmetry helps learning. With ranging from negative to 1, so it creates a symmetry. You could imagine that 0 is the center and all the positive values are in the right side and the negative values in the left side. So the symmetry help neurons learn patterns like increase versus decrease, left versus right, dark versus bright. Yeah. So it gives the model a balanced perspective. So it works better with activation functions like in TAN that expect or benefit from centered input. So TAN naturally outputs from -1 to 1. Even reality trains more smoothly when inputs are centered. So if our input is already centered, activation behave better. Next is why? Faster and more stable training. When inputs are centered, gradients don't explode or vanish as easily. Optimization converges faster. This is why normalization always used. So why not just keep from ranging 0 to 1? We can, but it ends. Sometimes people do. But compared to -1, -1 to 1 rangings, the balance center is 0. But the range from 0 to 1 bias all our positives. So the final key takeaway away is here is everything is positive, but from -1 to 1, we both sides of the story. So we convert -1 to 1, not just rescale, but do center balance data center, and faster learning.